everyone, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to generate more frames per second in Dying Light the Beast by using simple frame generation option. Enjoy watching! Well, at first you have to open the settings by using this option here or press the O button on your keyboard. Now move to the video settings, and in here you have to scroll down a little bit, and under the sharpness you can see frame generation. You can choose which AI you want to use to generate more frames. If you have Nvidia, then you will see DLSS option here, but I'm only using the AMD, so I have FSR. I can use only the ratio 2, I can change it, and thanks to this option I will have more FPS in the game, and it will boost my performance in the game. So that would be all for this video. Hope you like it. Leave a comment and also subscribe to our YouTube channels. Goodbye!